Well, that was quite a story, was it not?
Why, yes. Yes, it was. And I learned that even jungle creatures care more about cleaning up than certain cats I could mention.
Ooh, ouch! What an awful thing to say! I am hurt. I am wounded. I am one sad cat.
Aw, I'm sorry, Cat. I mean, the place is still a big mess, but... Aw, I'm sure you're gonna clean it up.
That's right. I will. And I'll find my bow tie.
Yes.
We will clean up the dust, the dirt, and the grime. And we'll start right now with washing time. Now, when doing the wash, there's something I've found. It's fun to pick what you wash by the sound.
By sound? You can't sort the wash by sound. That's unheard of.
Well, that's why I brought my rhyming machine. It's great for finding out what I should clean. Now, what rhyme should we wash first? Oh, little cat, see?
Yeah?
I would like to wash things that rhyme with cat. Would you mind stepping into the machine?
Right away, big cat. Woohoo!
And now we will get a chance to see what rhymes with cat.
Oh, I'm a star.
A cat hat.
Oh.
A cat hat that's fat.
That's a fat hat.
What's next?
Whoa, what is this? I'm moving here. Hey, whoa, whoa!
A dirty rat.
Whoa.
Oh, this is